As the Assam Assembly by-elections vote counting is scheduled to held tomorrow, the votes for the CD constituency will be counted at the district centre in Kajalgaon, while Bogaigaon College will host the counting for the Bogaigaon constituency. Meanwhile, the counting for Bihali and Samaguri constituencies will be conducted at their respective district commissioner offices. Authorities have confirmed that all arrangements for vote counting are in place. The Manipur unit of the National People's Party (NPP) instructed its member not to attend any meeting called by the N. Biren Singh government. An advisory signed by NPP State President N. Kayasi emphasized the party's national president had officially withdrawn support from the Singh government on November 17th. Consequently, all NPP members are required to comply with this decision, Kayasi stated. The advisory also stated that members must seek permission from either the state or national president before making any official statements or engaging with the media on this matter. Congress General Secretary J. Ram Ramesh has strongly criticized BJP National President and Union Minister J.P. Nadda over his letter to Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge regarding the ongoing crisis in Manipur. In a sharp response, Ramesh accused the BJP of diverting attention from the pressing issues in the state, which has been in turmoil since May 2023. Manipur has been burning for 18 months since May 3, 2023. The BJP secured a full majority in the year 2022 Manipur election. In Manipur, the double-engine government has turned into a double-game government. One game is being played here, another day. JP Nadda's letter is filled with lies and serves only to distract from the main issue, Ramesh asserted. Russia has supplied North Korea with anti-air missiles and air defense equipments in exchange for North Korean troops supporting Moscow war in Ukraine, South Korea's National Security Advisor Shin Won-silk said today. Speaking to SBS, Shin revealed that over 10,000 North Korean troops are believed to be aiding Russia in the western Kursk border region. He noted that Russia's support aims to bolster Pyongyang's weak air defense system. The International Kabaddi Federation (IKF) has approved the World Super Kabaddi League WSKL 2025 to be organized in partnership with the Southeast Asian Kabaddi Federation (SAEAKF) and the Kabaddi Association of Thailand. In a congratulatory message to SJ Uplift Kabaddi Private Limited, the event organization IKF praised their dedication to promote the sport, stating, "Your efforts will inspire young athletes and significantly boost Kabaddi's growth and popularity across the globe."